This is why you need RoboForm. Imagine a world where logging in is secure, seamless, and simple. That's the world RoboForm creates. Let's face it, in our digital age, security is key, but so is convenience. RoboForm hits both marks with an ironclad solution that manages your passwords, forms, and now introduces something even cooler: the RoboForm Authenticator and support for passkeys. Say goodbye to the old struggle of remembering passwords or the panic of losing them. With RoboForm, your credentials are not just stored, they're protected by cutting-edge security features. And here's the game-changer passkeys. With passkeys, you can log into websites without even entering a password. Yes, you heard that right, no passwords. It's the future of digital security, where access is literally at your fingertip, making your online experience effortless and safe. So whether you're shopping online, managing financials, or just browsing, RoboForm ensures that your digital life is both easier and more secure. So why wait? Click on the address in the description below. Why settle for less when you can RoboForm it?